Hi guys, welcome back to Living the Harden Dream. Today's Saturday. Today's cleanup day. Motivational Saturday. But I have a task to do that I am not motivated to do. You homemakers, wives, caretakers, are there any areas in your home that you just hate having to do? Like I am type A. Oh, by the way, I'm Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. But anywho, um, I am type A. I love making my to-do list. I'm not a procrastinator. I like to get the job done. A little bit of OCD, a little bit of ADHD, undiagnosed. But there is one area in my home that I hate. I have been sitting here on this front porch for about an hour contemplating my life. Do I want to do this? If I don't do it, my family may die. That's just how bad it is. But we could probably go another week and be okay. But it's something I really need to do. I need to clean out my fridge. Like I'm not even going to tell you how long it's been since I cleaned it. I'm too embarrassed to tell you. I have 7 grandbabies, and 5 of those 7 come by every day. Every day. They're in and out of this refrigerator. They are um, trying to be independent and they want to do it themselves. So there's spills and it's a brand new fridge. And I hate to even show anybody, but I feel like there are people in the world that are struggling with the same situation, that they hate cleaning a fridge. So let's dive in. Let's see what we got. So I've mentioned this in other videos that our home was a total good. Like we brought it to the studs, rebuilt it. We were able to design our kitchen, and I was the designer. But this is why I hate cleaning this fridge. It's because of the way we done the cabinets. Let me show you. You see, the fridge is up against the wall. So when you open up both doors, one door is not going to stay, it's not going to open wide enough to get the drawers out or anything. And so, let me show you what I mean. See, this door opens completely, but this door only opens this far. And so, I can't get the shelves out in order to disregard the alcoholic beverages. But I can't get the shelves out. So, in order for me to deep clean our refrigerator, I have to pull it from against the wall, pull it out here in the middle of the floor in order to deep clean it. There's stuff on the top, there's stuff on the side that I need to declutter, but this is why I hate cleaning this fridge. And by the way, the handle, we broke it. Brand new refrigerator. It was all me. I broke it. And so it's up on top of it's up on, if I can point at it correctly, it's right up here. But, oh, there's probably something in here that's gone bad. Uh, a lot of canning projects, a lot of leftovers. I've been planning to cook that meat for a week. I've not done it. See the milk spilled. So, butter on the door. Oh, by the way, I made a video on this. I haven't tried it yet, but it's been laying in here cooling. We have some condiments that we need to go through, find out what's good and what's not. Some canning projects. But this is bad, y'all, bad. Oh, let's get it emptied. I'm just arranging everything here on the island. Oh, best used by 2021. Oh. So, this does not have a date. Oh, here it is. Okay, still good. Bought these from Walmart to try and organize condiments. I even took the time to label them. Has it been successful? No. Do I have the time to refill them? No. Done my own yogurt. Turned out very well. Does anybody else's husband do this? Just leave glasses in the refrigerator? Let me know in the comments. Let's rate this. This is my favorite mayonnaise. This is the best mayonnaise. If I can figure out my comment section, let me know what you guys' favorites. Now I'm from the South. This is what we use. I also got on the bandwagon of sourdough, and I created my sourdough. The brown stuff on the top is called a hooch, but I got it. I got it active. I got it alive, and then I put it in the refrigerator. And I have not had time to do any baked goods with it, but I'm confident that it's once I bring it out and restart it, pull the hooch off of it, it will. I'll be able to do some breads and stuff. But for right now, she's just gonna sit in the fridge until I can find time. Here's another jar of, I can't think of the name, sourdough with the hooch. Show y'all what my island looks like currently. This is how much shit came out of this. Now you tell me where all this came from. All of this was in this little refrigerator, but majority of it is not going back. Guys, my cucumbers out my garden done so well. So I need to maybe this afternoon or tomorrow do something with those cucumbers. So proud of myself. Now, this is a crying shame. Now don't y'all talk about me. Don't talk about me because this is bad. Now somebody that has OCD and ADHD, this is bad. But y'all don't talk about me. Don't you come for me in the comments. I'm a busy mama, a busy grandma. I work full time. And I'm trying this YouTube channel. If there's anybody, speaking of that, Oh, oh, it ain't coming. Oh no. This is not what we want in this life. Oh, here we go. This was a poor decision when designing this kitchen. And I have to be careful because the water line that runs to my ice maker will bust if I do not set this refrigerator back in the correct slot, which my son is currently living with us. He's doing a little bit of a transition, so I may get him to come help me put it back in the slot. I have been doing a lot of preserving, and I know the weight of this is in the freezer section, but I'm not dealing with that today. Just do not have time. Get this bad boy out this slot. There we go. I will show you the inside and how bad it truly is. See, now I can pull the door over. Let me show you what the inside looks like. Now the object of this is getting this buzzard up out of this slot. Now don't y'all laugh at me. Speaking of YouTube, I am struggling to get my channel out there. So if you know anybody, if you can run through my videos and just let me know what I'm doing wrong or what I can do better, please let me know. You're not going to hurt my feelings. What is that? Oh my gosh. That's gonna need soap. Okay guys, you're gonna have to keep me accountable. Keep me accountable. At least once a month to deep clean. Pull it out, just do it and get it over with. Because this is bad. And I do not have any cleaner to clean that. Y'all, I'm embarrassed. Let me show you. What is that? What is that? But we're gonna make it right today. Oh God, that is nasty. Guys, I wasn't even filming. You know, I ain't got good sense. But my husband called and I had to answer that phone call. But currently, all I'm doing, I've sprayed it down with some all-purpose cleaner, and I'm just using a microfiber rag, cheap rag, Walmart rag, and some soap and water. Let's get it cleaned out.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for each and every one of you that stopped by to check on me. We appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our channel so that we can get more feedback. Y'all have a blessed one. We'll see you in the next one.